As you can see, we're working really hard on our production of Little Shop of Horrors. Let's have a look.
The Intricom Musical is an autonomously student-run, non-for-profit organisation
that is dedicated to putting on a fab show each year.
We're only in our third year of production and we want to make sure we can put on a really great show
And have enough funds to keep the organisation going for longer.
Shop of Horrors is an iconic musical with even more iconic puppets, set and costumes.
We're in dire need of your financial support to put on a wonderful show.
You betcha, betcha, but you betcha. Best believe it, something's come to get ya. You betcha, better watch your back and your tail. Come on, little shop of horrors.
Look at our possible paid for donation options and benefits of investing in this musical.
We hope to see you there.
Please donate, and as Audrey says, go on, feed me money!